All right, guys, y'all want to know how does my garden grow? Well, chop and drop is one of the ways. We actually cut limbs off of trees that's getting too tall for me to reach, because it'll suck away all of the energy of the tree and keep it from producing fruits that I can eat. So I'm trying my best to chop some of the limbs off. My son was helping me, and we just dropping it down. Hold on. There they are on the ground. It's going to turn into fertilizer for the banana trees when it breaks down, and it's capturing carbon to return it to the ground as well. And this is one way my garden grows. You see, I use a stick to support the tomato plant until I use the tomato cage for it later. The other trees are doing, the other plants are doing fine. This one is still growing. I'll harvest a few leaves later on in the week. Same thing with the cabbage. Got them from the nursery, y'all. Got them as seedlings from the nursery. Paid $3.99 for them, but it encourages you to keep growing until your seeds start sprouting. Out to your flowers. They'll grow, especially when you see they made it through the winter and they still looking good. And give them chop and drop as well. It'll turn into soil and fertilizer, natural fertilizer. Encourage your plants when they growing, no matter what they look like. They pretty and green. They'll only encourage the things that you thought was dead to grow, like your boysenberry. And plant your seeds, y'all, and just pray over them and hope they grow, like the red okra here. And then over here is my green okra. So yeah, watch your garden grows, and it will get green. Take plenty of pictures, take plenty of videos to encourage you, because you never know when you plant the seeds if they're gonna grow or not.